Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha. I'm a board-certified psychiatric nurse practitioner with over 13 years nursing experience, working in mother-baby postpartum, NICU, antepartum, and labor and delivery. I'm also an IBCLC, I'm perinatal mental health certified, and maternal newborn nursing certified. After having a baby, it is not common to give the new dad a gift, but they deserve one too. Today we'll be talking about the top gifts you can give to dads after the birth of their baby that are not baby related. So click those like and subscribe buttons and stay with us. When you become a new dad, you may have a new role as the photographer and videographer for your family. This is a very special role because you get to preserve special moments between you and your children and you and your family. So what better way to do this than get the latest tech? So that's why a new camera is ideal. This allows you to take the pictures and videos that you want, and it's really fun how to learn all those new features. Sleep deprivation is a real thing, so there's nothing better than giving a new dad a nice coffee maker. This is a way for them to get the perfect cup of coffee without ever leaving the house. It saves time, it saves money, and it can really make you feel good and be an excellent form of self-care to have your favorite drink ready when you wake up in the morning. Staying at home is the new normal, so a TV subscription that you've been wanting is a great gift for the new dad. This is a way for you to spice up your nightlife with TV that you've been craving. This is also great for home date nights, and it gives you something to do on those long nights when your newborn is keeping you awake. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get our latest content. Many people work from home nowadays and may have a home office. But being a sleep-deprived dad who often has to go back to work within a couple days of your baby being born and having additional responsibilities can be very stressful. Getting a new home office setup can brighten your day. Additionally, getting stuff like a new chair that can help a sore body that's been up all night can make such a difference to your mood. Make sure when you're doing your new office setup that you include some of those family pictures you've taken on your new camera. Voice-activated virtual assistants like Alexa can be such a great gift for a new dad. This technology can be used for a wide variety of things. For example, when you're holding a crying baby, you can call over to ask your partner for help. You can get the latest weather report, traffic report, or even ask Alexa to play your favorite music. You can also control air temperature and lighting to help you soothe this crying baby. A seat massager or chair massager is a great gift for a new dad. Oftentimes when you have a baby for the first time, you're now responsible for holding a lot of heavy items as well as that baby. This can lead to backaches and hip pain, and a seat massager is ideal for helping work out some of that pain. It's great for muscle tension, and it really can be great to help you relax on those long nights. Video games are a great form of home entertainment, so this is a must for new dads. Get them the latest game system or games that they're interested in. This can be a great form of self-care and a great idea for date night. This is also a way for you to share your passions with your children later on. And playing video games releases chemicals that can improve your mood. Saving time and multitasking is key when you have a new baby. Getting dad shower shaving supplies can make things easier for dad and make the morning go a lot smoother. Plus, extra time in the shower can be great for his mood. Splurge and buy luxury creams and a nice blade so he can really feel special and pampered. You may have heard about mommy brain, but daddy brain is also a real thing. And there's nothing worse than losing your keys and being late for an appointment. Key fobs are an ideal gift for a new dad. These small discs have location technology built into them. So when you activate them, either using a main fob or an app on your smartphone, an alarm will go off so you can listen and locate the lost item. These key fobs can be used for more than just keys. You can put them on anything, including your phone and your diaper bag. Noise canceling headphones are absolutely a must-have with a new baby. These can be used to reduce the noise you can hear from your crying baby. Many can also be used to refocus sound so you can hear what's right in front of you and drown out background noise. They can help you sleep, reduce stress, and improve concentration. Here's a bonus gift you can give for new dads. You can get a toilet nightlight. Turning on the lights at night can be very disruptive for sleep for everyone involved. It interferes with your natural melatonin production. You can also upset your partner if they just fell asleep or wake a sleeping baby up. These toilet night lights can guide you to the bathroom so you can safely use it. Plus, they're super fun to look at. I hope this video has helped you learn the best gifts to give a dad postpartum that he will love. Please share your comments and let us know what topics you would like to hear more about. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get our latest content in pregnancy, labor, and early childhood parenting. Share this video with your friends and family and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for additional content. We will link those into the description below. Thank you so much for joining us at the Maternity Mentor.